Good morning to all. So today class we are going to discuss about the synergetic effect, and we are going to compare between synergetic effect between JSS salt and metal carbonyls. Before that, we should know about in detail the structural features of a JSS salt. So this is the structural features of JSS salt. Here you can observe JSS salt is the first invented metal olefin organometallic complex where olefin is actually acting as a ligand. And also X-ray structure suggested that the platinum atom is exactly oriented at the center of a square planar. You can see here this is oriented exactly center of a square planar, and here ethylene in the JSS salt will actually acting as a pi bonded ligand. That means it can donate a pi bonded electrons to the metal. At the same time it can accept a pair of electrons from the metal. It can form a pi bond, sigma bond, and as well as pi bond. And here the length of CC bond during this formation is going to increase from 1.34 to 1.37. Normally the double bond length is 1.34, but as it's donated this pi electrons, so the bond length is going to increases from 1.34 to 37. At the same time, here generally ethylene all 4 hydrogens are present in plane, all are in same plane. But whenever it is combined with platinum, it loses its planarity, and the all 4 hydrogens are not in same plane. 2 are out of plane and 2 will be below to the plane. So ethylene loses its planarity. At the same time, the bond length is going to increases from 1.34 to 1.37. And here you can notice generally in the JSS salt, the metal is oriented above to the platinate, above to the ethylenic plane, and also it is having as a square planar geometry. You can imagine like this. These 3 chlorine atoms are oriented like the corners of a square. So this is a basic structure comparison, and you can also notice the synergetic effect, how it is affecting in the JSS salt. Look at here carefully. This is a ethylenic 2 carbon atoms where this is a pi electron density of ethylene. These pi electrons are donating to the metal and it is going to form a sigma bond, where metal is providing vacant orbital. That orbital is dx square y square orbital. This is a dx square y square hybrid orbital. At the same time, it is giving back electrons. See here, this is also going to give electrons, back electrons, a filled pi orbital. So the filled electrons are going to donate to the vacant pi star orbital provided by the ethylene, and it is going to form a back bonding. So here the strength of this pi bond is depending upon the strength of the sigma bond. This is said to be a synergetic effect. Okay, so same kind of synergetic effect as we already discussed in the metal carbonyls, right? So now we are going to compare the synergetic effect of JSS salt with the metal carbonyl synergetic effect. So in this comparison, so first point you can observe, in the JSS salt, ethylene is actually acting as a ligand, and this ethylene generally is a poor donor ligand, but due to this back bonding, the ethylene is actually acting as a better donor. In the metal carbonyls also similarly, CO is generally act as a poor donor. This is generally, it can form a poor sigma bond. Because of this pi back bonding, this CO further it act as a better ligand. This is a comparable each other. And the second comparison, in the JSS salt, metal is having a filled d orbitals and ethylene is having a vacant pi star orbital. Similar way, here also metal is having a filled d orbitals and carbonyl is providing vacant pi star orbital. And in the third comparison, during this pi bond formation, the CC bond length is going to increase from 1.34 to 1.37. Here also the CO bond length is going to increase. So both the cases the bond length is going to increase. And the last comparison you can see here. In the JSS salt, the strength of back bonding is further depending on the strength of sigma bond, which is called as synergetic effect, which we already discussed, and this is weakening the CC bond of alkene, right? So similar way, this is also going to weaken the CO bond length. Okay, is it clear all of you? So thanks for attending the class.